Next, neuroendocrine system in frog. Neuroendocrine system of frog. Control and coordination of body organs is well developed in frogs. Control and coordination system is well developed in frog. These are controlled by neuroendocrine system. Body is controlled and coordinated by neuroendocrine system. Neuroendocrine system includes neurons and endocrine glands. Endocrine glands secretes hormones. These hormones control the chemical coordination between the different types of organs. Hormones control chemical coordination between the different organs. Endocrine glands are pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus gland, adrenal gland, gonads, pancreatic islets. These are the endocrine glands of frog. Endocrine glands of frog are pituitary glands, pineal gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus, adrenal gland, gonads, and pancreatic islets. These controls the chemical coordination between the different types of organs. Next, neurons, nervous system. Nervous system includes central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, autonomous nervous system. Central nervous system includes brain, spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system includes cranial nerves, and the spinal nerves. Autonomous nervous system includes sympathetic, and parasympathetic. Sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system. In central nervous system, brain and the spinal cords are present. Brain is divided into forebrain, midbrain, and the hindbrain. Forebrain has 3 parts. Olfactory lobes, cerebral hemispheres, diencephalon. These are the forebrain parts. Forebrain parts are olfactory lobes, cerebral hemispheres, and diencephalon. Midbrain has olfactory lobe, optic lobes. Midbrain has optic lobes. Hindbrain has cerebellum, medulla oblongata. medulla oblongata. These are the brain parts. Brain is divided into forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain has olfactory lobes, diencephalon, cerebral hemispheres. Midbrain has optic lobes. Hindbrain has cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Central nervous system. Brain. Brain is protected by, this is brain. Brain is protected by bony hard sheet called cranium. Cranium or brain box. Brain box. Brain is surrounded by, protected by cranium or brain box. Brain is covered by layers or meninges. Pia mater, dura mater, arachnoid matter. Brain is surrounded by three layers, three meninges: pia mater, dura mater, arachnoid matter. Brain is protected in the skull by cranium or brain box. Brain has three parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain has olfactory lobes, cerebral hemisphere, and diencephalon. Olfactory lobes sense for smell. Cerebral hemispheres control voluntary movements. Diencephalon controls receptors for pain, cold, heat, and integrated with autonomous nervous system. Midbrain has optic lobes. Two optic lobes present in frogs. So these optic lobes are called corpora bigemina. In humans, 4 optic lobes are present. So human optic lobes are called Corpora quadrigemina. Corpora quadrigemina. In frogs, optic lobes are 2. So these are called corpora bigemina. In humans, 4 optic lobes are present. So these are called corpora quadrigemina. Optic lobes help for the sight. Next, hindbrain. Cerebellum maintain balance. Next, medulla oblongata controls involuntary movements. Optic lobes sight, sense for smell. Cerebral hemispheres control voluntary movements. Diencephalon pain, cold, heat, and integrated with autonomous nervous system. Optic lobes help for sight, and cerebellum maintain balance. Medulla oblongata controls involuntary movements. Next, spinal cord. Medulla oblongata extends as spinal cord. Spinal cord carried out by foramen magnum. Spinal cord carried out by foramen magnum. Spinal cord. This is spinal cord. Spinal cord present in the neural canal of vertebral column. Next, peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system has spinal nerves, cranial nerves, and spinal nerves. These are the cranial nerves. These are the spinal nerves. 10 pairs of cranial nerves, 10 pairs of spinal nerves present in frogs. 10 pairs of cranial nerves and 10 pairs of spinal nerves present in the frog. The spinal cord act as middleman. Spinal cord act as middleman between brain and affectors. Spinal cord act as middleman between brain and affectors. It carries information from the brain to affectors, and it receives signals from affector to brains. So spinal cord act as middleman between brain and affectors. Autonomous nervous system. Autonomous nervous system has sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system. These are antagonistic. Sympathetic nervous system increase body activities. Parasympathetic nervous system decrease body activities. So these are antagonistic in functions. Next, special sense organs in frog. Touch, taste, smell, hearing, sight. These are the special sense organs in the frog. Touch, taste, smell, hearing, sight. Hearing, sight, sense organs are well organized. Well organized structures. Well organized structures in frog. Hearing and sight are well organized structures in the frogs. Special organs are formed in hearing and sight. Touch, taste and smell. These are the cellular aggregation. These are the cellular aggregations of the nerve ending. Cellular aggregations of nerve ending. These are the nerve cytons. They are the nerve endings. Cellular aggregations of nerve ending. Touch, taste, smell. These sense organs are not well organized structures. These are formed by cellular aggregations of the nerve ending. Cellular aggregations of the nerve ending. These are the sense organs of the touch, taste, smell. Touch. The sense organs of touch is skin. Skin acts as touch receptor. Taste buds. Taste buds are present on the papillae. Tip of the papillae. These are the taste buds. Taste buds are papillae. These are the papillae. Papillae contains taste buds. Papillae present on the tongue surface. Next, smell. Smell are nostril chambers. Nostril chambers help for the sense of smell. Next, sight. These are the eyes. One pair of eyes are present. Eyes are situated in the optic lobes. Eyes are present in the optic lobes of cranium. These are the optic lobe. Optic lobe of cranium. These are the eyes. Eyes are present in the optic lobe of the cranium. Eyes is covered by eyelids. Upper eyelid, lower eyelid. Upper eyelids and lower eyelids. Upper eyelid is immovable. Upper eyelid is immovable in frog, and the lower eyelid is movable. These are folding structure. This folding structure is called nictitating membrane. Nictitating membrane is transparent membrane. When frog enters into the water, this membrane covers the total light for the protection of eyes. Retina contains rods and cones. Rods helps for the dim light. Cones helps for the color vision. Retina contains rods and cones. Rods helps for the vision of dim light. Cones helps for the color vision. Color vision. Next, hearing. Hearing. Well, our ears are formed in frogs. Ear pinna is absent. Ear pinna is absent. The middle ear. This is middle ear. This is inner ear. Middle ear is covered by. Middle ear is covered by tympanum. Tympanum or eardrum. Middle ear is covered by membranous fold called tympanum or eardrum. Eardrum. It receives sound waves. It receives sound waves. Middle ear contain long bone, long thin bone called columella oris. These are single ear oscule. Middle ear has single ear oscule called columella oris. In humans, three pairs of ear oscules. Three pairs of ear oscules. These columella oris receives sound vibrations from tympanum to inner ear. Tympanum to inner ear. Inner ear contains utriculae, sacculus, semicircular canals. These are helps for the balancing. These are the helps for the balancing. Ear act as balancing and hearing. Balancing and hearing. Tympanum, important. Tympanum receives sound waves. Tympanum or eardrum. Ear oscules present in the middle ear is columella oris. These are the sense organs of the frog.